Unlock financial success. Robert Kiyosaki's 5 basic rules of investing. Do you dislike having no money left over each month? Do you want to obtain financial independence and open the doors to an abundant life? So stop looking now. We will delve into the knowledge of renowned businessman and best-selling author Robert Kiyosaki in this video. He has paved numerous people's path to financial success with his 5 fundamental investing rules. Welcome to Wealth Wiz, your go-to source for all financial information. Whether you're an experienced investor or you're just getting started, this channel is made to give you access to professional insights, useful advice, and the most recent financial news. So click the subscribe button and let's get started if you're ready to take charge of your financial destiny. No more feeling stuck in the rat race or relying solely on your own income. By following Kiyosaki's principles, you can learn how to make your money work for you and create a future filled with prosperity. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets that will change your financial trajectory forever. Let's discuss the first rule, the concept of other people's money, or OPM. When it comes to investing, one concept that Robert Kiyosaki strongly emphasizes is the use of other people's money, or OPM. This may sound a bit daunting at first, but it's actually a key strategy for unlocking financial success. Using OPM means leveraging resources and capital from sources outside of your own pockets. It involves finding creative ways to finance your investments without solely relying on your personal savings or income. By doing so, you can amplify your potential returns and minimize the risk associated with using only your own funds. There are different ways to utilize OPM in investing. One approach is through borrowing money from banks or financial institutions to fund projects or purchase assets. Another method is by partnering with investors who provide the necessary capital in exchange for a share of the profits. Now the second rule. Get educated in finance. One of the key principles that Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes when it comes to investing is the importance of getting educated in finance. Many people shy away from investing because they lack knowledge and understanding about how money works. But if you want to unlock financial success, it's crucial to educate yourself on the ins and outs of finance. By learning about different investment strategies, understanding economic indicators, and staying up to date with market trends, you can make informed decisions that will increase your chances of success. Take advantage of resources such as books, online courses, seminars, and podcasts to expand your knowledge. Additionally, networking with experienced investors can provide valuable insights and guidance. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are already successful in their own investments can help fuel your own growth. Remember that education doesn't stop once you start investing. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay curious and continue learning throughout your investment journey. This is getting exciting, right? Let's go to the third rule, which is to invest for cash flow. Investing for cash flow is a key principle that Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes in his approach to financial success. Instead of focusing solely on capital appreciation, which relies on the hope that investment will increase in value over time, Kiyosaki encourages individuals to prioritize investments that generate regular income. By investing for cash flow, you have the opportunity to create a passive stream of income that can support your lifestyle and provide financial security. This can come from various sources such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or even starting your own business. One advantage of investing for cash flow is its ability to provide stability during market fluctuations. While other investors may be panicking about the ups and downs of the stock market, those who focus on generating consistent income are less affected by short-term volatility. Now the fourth rule, know that investing isn't risky. Investing has long been seen as a risky endeavor, with many people wary of putting their hard-earned money at stake. However, Robert Kiyosaki's philosophy challenges this notion and emphasizes that investing is not inherently risky. Kiyosaki believes that the key to successful investing lies in education and knowledge. By educating yourself about different investment strategies, asset classes, and market trends, you can make informed decisions that minimize risk. This means staying up to date with financial news, reading books on investing, attending seminars or workshops, anything that helps expand your understanding of the investment landscape. Now, you're on to our fifth rule: raise capital. When it comes to investing, one of the most important things to consider is how to raise capital. After all, you need money in order to invest and make a profit. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of using other people's money, or OPM, as a way to fund your investments. There are several ways you can raise capital for your investments. One option is through traditional bank loans or lines of credit. This involves borrowing money from a financial institution and paying it back over time with interest. Another option is through private investors or venture capitalists. These individuals or firms provide funding in exchange for equity or a share of the profits generated by your investment. Remember that when raising capital, it's essential to present yourself as knowledgeable and trustworthy. Potential investors want assurance that their money will be well managed and yield returns. Unlocking financial success through investing requires adopting Robert Kiyosaki's 5 basic rules. Remember that achieving financial success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Start by incorporating these fundamental rules into your investment strategy and gradually build upon them as you gain experience. So go ahead and unlock your path to financial success. Embrace these timeless principles laid out by Robert Kiyosaki and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked it and want to see more financial content. We appreciate your support, which enables us to keep making useful videos for you. Please feel free to share this video with your loved ones who are financial enthusiasts. Until next time, stay financially empowered.